voila. Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I am coming to you from my bathroom because I am going to be filming a hair tutorial. My hair is naturally stick straight and I have a really hard time curling my hair and getting it to hold the curl throughout the day. But recently I discovered a really easy way to curl my hair with a hair straightener that gives me these very effortless, gentle, almost Kate Middleton inspired curls. At least I think they're Kate Middleton inspired. It's super easy. It takes me only 15 minutes to do, and like I said, all it takes is a hair straightener. So if you're interested in seeing how I get these very relaxed and gentle curls, please keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So my hair, as you can tell, is completely straight. I have done nothing to it today. I washed it last night, so it's about a day old. Before we get started, I'm just gonna run a brush through my hair to make sure there's no tangles or anything. And then the key to doing this is doing it in layers. So I'm gonna start with about half of my hair clipped up in a banana clip, and I'm gonna do the bottom layer first. The hair straightener I use, by the way, is this one from Numi. I have no idea what it's called. All I know is that a couple of Christmases ago, this Numi straightener was on sale for only like 20 bucks, which is amazing because I think these things retail traditionally for way more, maybe like $70, $80. Actually, I have no idea. All I know is that I got a really good deal on this thing. Any straightener should work just fine as long as it's a 1-inch straightener. So I'm going to, like I said, get started with my bottom layer. And usually for the first layer, I like to curl the straightener outward to kind of give it that traditional flippy type of look. So to do that, I'm going to take my hair in about 1 or 1.5 inch sections, like so, run the straightener through it, and at the end, start to kind of flip it by grabbing onto the straightener like so. And you can see I'm just kind of rotating the straightener and giving it that little flip. I'm just going to go all the way around my head with this bottom layer, making sure I am flipping upward and outward. So again, like so. As I get towards the end, really making sure I'm curling it, and I'll just keep going like that. Looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to release the second layer of hair. Now, depending on how thick your hair is, you might want to do this in 2 or 3 layers. If I'm in a rush, I'll do it in 2 layers, but since I have a little bit more time today, I think I'm gonna do it in 3. So I'm just picking up and clipping the next layer of hair, letting it hang out on the top of my head. And then I'm gonna go through and curl the next layer. What's different about this layer is that I'm going to alternate the flip. So instead of flipping down and out, I'm going to take my straightener and flip it down and inward. Again, I'm taking a section of hair about 1 inch thick, grabbing my straightener and going down and inward with the curl. Like so. And just like I did with the bottom layer of hair, I'm gonna go all the way around my head, making sure I am curling this layer in the same direction every time. So for layer number 3 or layer number 2, depending on if you're doing 2 or 3 layers of curling, I like to alternate which way I'm flipping the straightener. So whereas for the first layer, I was flipping outward and the second I was flipping inward, on the third layer, I like to alternate each strand of hair. So I'm going to take my first section and flip this one outward. Like so. The chunk of hair right next to it, I'm going to flip it inward. And I'll just keep going around my head, alternating flipping outward and inward until my whole head is curled. Okay, so once I'm satisfied with how the curls are looking, I don't want to run my fingers through them or a brush or a comb through them or anything because they're so kind of gentle and delicate. So all I'm gonna do is finish off with some texturizing spray and hairspray. You can just finish off with hairspray if you want. You don't necessarily have to use texturizing spray, but I like to use the Not Your Mother's Double Take Dry Finish texture spray. Boop. There you go. Couple spritzes. And then finally I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray, which is the best of the best. I just have a teeny tiny travel size of this hairspray because it takes me forever to go through hairsprays and it's way cheaper to just buy a travel size. And that is it. You've got these very effortless, casual, Kate Middleton inspired curls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Catch you later. Bye.